Apple iPhone 18 Pro leaks are coming in fast, and the closer we get to Apple's next big iPhone launch, the louder the rumor mill gets. Yes, a lot of attention is drifting toward the rumored iPhone Fold, but let's be real. The Pro models are still the main event for most people. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to carry Apple's biggest upgrades in performance, camera tech, and design refinement, while keeping the core candy bar flagship formula that sells in massive numbers every single year. So here's a full, up-to-date breakdown of the biggest iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks, what they could mean in real life, and which rumored changes would actually matter day to day. Let's start with the display, because this is where the iPhone 18 Pro could look dramatically different without changing its size. According to current leaks, Apple is not expected to change the screen sizes. That means we're likely looking at the same 6.3-inch iPhone 18 Pro and 6.9-inch iPhone 18 Pro Max displays, both using 120Hz ProMotion OLED panels, smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and the same premium viewing experience Apple has been refining for years. But the big story isn't the inches. It's what happens to the top of the screen. Multiple leaks point to under-display Face ID finally arriving on the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, which would be one of the most noticeable design shifts in years. And if Apple pulls that off, it also sets up the next change, a smaller, cleaner, dynamic island. Not necessarily gone, but streamlined, less visual interruption, more screen, and a more modern, all-display look that Apple's been inching toward. If under-display Face ID works as current Face ID, fast, reliable, secure, and consistent in different lighting, that's a huge win. But if it's slower or less accurate, it's the kind of change people will feel immediately. This is one of those rumored upgrades that sounds exciting, but it has to be perfect to be worth it. Now let's talk design materials and colors, because the leaks suggest Apple could tweak the iPhone 18 Pro's entire aesthetic. Right now, rumors claim Apple may drop the dual-tone look and move toward a more uniform design with consistent back glass and an aluminum frame. If this leak is accurate, it's a notable direction shift because it suggests Apple is prioritizing a cohesive, seamless look, possibly also reducing weight or changing how the phone feels in hand. And then there's the color that keeps popping up, a new premium red option. Leaks claim Apple could introduce an elegant, high-end red finish for the iPhone 18 Pro series, potentially replacing orange as the hero color for the year. If Apple actually does a truly premium red, deep, rich, and metallic instead of bright or playful, it could become one of the most popular Pro colors we've seen in a while, especially for buyers who want something bold without looking flashy. Next, battery. Because the iPhone 18 Pro Max battery leak is one of the most headline-grabbing parts of the entire story. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature the biggest battery ever put into an iPhone, landing somewhere around 5100 to 5,000 mAh. That's a serious jump, and if Apple pairs that with a more efficient chip and modem, this could be the year the Pro Max becomes an actual two-day phone for a lot of users, not just, maybe, but reliably. But there's a trade-off being mentioned. 2. Thickness and weight. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max might get slightly thicker and heavier to fit that battery, with weight estimates around 240 grams. That's not a small number. So the big question becomes, would you accept a heavier phone if it meant noticeably longer battery life? For a lot of Pro Max buyers, the answer is yes. Battery life is the reason they buy the Max in the first place. Now, let's get to the engine. The chip. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to launch with Apple's next flagship processor, the A20 Pro. And the biggest rumor here is the manufacturing process, TSMC 2nm. If Apple really moves the A20 Pro to a 2nm node, it could bring two things people actually care about: faster performance and better efficiency. Leaks are throwing around numbers like a 15% performance boost and up to 30% improved power efficiency. In real-world terms, that could mean quicker photo processing, smoother gaming, more responsive AI features, and longer battery life without needing a massive design change. But the chip isn't the only thing that matters for speed and connectivity anymore. One of the biggest iPhone 18 Pro leaks is the modem switch. The Pro models are rumored to finally move away from Qualcomm modems and adopt Apple's own C2 modem. If that happens, it's a major moment because Apple's modem strategy affects everything. Signal stability, battery drain on 5G, how quickly your phone switches between towers, and how consistent data speeds feel in daily use, and the connectivity. Rumors go even further. Leaks suggest Apple's C2 modem could support strong mmWave 5G capabilities and something even bigger. NR-NTN support, new radio non-terrestrial networks. In simpler terms, this is the kind of tech that could enable true satellite-based connectivity, potentially moving beyond basic emergency features toward fuller satellite internet access. If Apple brings real satellite internet functionality to iPhone 18 Pro models, that's a genuine game-changer for travelers, remote workers, outdoor users, and anyone who wants coverage where towers don't exist. But it also raises questions. Will it be limited to certain regions, certain carriers, or a paid plan? Because satellite features always sound simple until the pricing and restrictions show up. Now let's move to the cameras, because iPhone camera leaks are always the deciding factor for a lot of upgrades. According to current information, Apple will likely keep the 48-megapixel triple camera setup on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, so don't expect a wild megapixel race here. Apple's strategy has been more about sensor quality, processing, and giving users better control, and that lines up perfectly with the two biggest camera upgrades being rumored. First, a variable aperture on the main camera. If Apple adds a variable aperture lens, it could give users much more control over how photos look, especially depth of field and light intake. That means you could potentially adjust background blur more naturally, handle bright scenes with fewer blown highlights, and reduce tricky exposure issues. This is the kind of feature that can make iPhone photos feel more camera-like, especially for creators who want options without needing third-party apps. Second, a new stacked image sensor reportedly made by Samsung. Leaks mention a 3-layer stacked sensor designed to improve dynamic range and reduce noise. And that matters, because these are the areas where smartphone cameras still struggle the most. Night shots with clean detail, high-contrast scenes that don't crush shadows, and photos that keep highlights under control without looking over-processed. Apple pairs a better sensor with variable aperture and its already strong computational photography. The iPhone 18 Pro could deliver one of the biggest real-world camera upgrades we've seen in a while, without needing to change the megapixel count at all. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where leaks can be messy. But the current rumors are surprisingly straightforward. Despite broader reports about memory chip shortages pushing costs up across the industry, leaks suggest Apple is trying to hold the line on Pro pricing. Right now, the rumored starting prices look familiar. iPhone 18 Pro starting at $1,099, iPhone 18 Pro Max starting at $1,099. If Apple can actually keep these prices while upgrading the display tech, battery, chip, modem, and cameras, that would be a major value win for buyers, at least by Pro iPhone standards. But pricing outside the US is always the wild card. For markets like India, even when US pricing stays the same, local pricing can rise due to taxes, import duties, and currency shifts. And recent patterns show that even same price in the US does not always translate to same price everywhere else. So if you're watching iPhone 18 Pro India price leaks, expect uncertainty right up until the official announcement. So what does all of this mean if these iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max leaks are accurate? It means Apple is aiming for a Pro upgrade cycle built around 4 pillars. A cleaner display experience with under-display Face ID and a smaller dynamic island, a major efficiency jump with the A20 Pro 2nm chip, potentially big connectivity upgrades. With Apple's C2 modem and expanded satellite features, more pro-level camera control with variable aperture and next-gen sensor tech. And if Apple nails even half of that, the iPhone 18 Pro lineup could be one of the most compelling upgrades in years, especially for users coming from older models like the iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 16 Pro generation. Now the question is yours. Which leaked iPhone 18 Pro upgrade would actually make you upgrade? Under-display Face ID, the A20 Pro 2nm performance, the massive Pro Max battery, satellite internet, or the variable aperture camera? Stay tuned, because as we get closer to launch, The leaks are only going to get bigger, more detailed, and a lot more interesting.